Literally all the holes are in my pocket because I've spent a lot of money today on this boy, and on this girl, and on the house. Hello, welcome back to another vlog, and today is Saturday, which is 29th of April. 27th of April को चंदीप का बर्थडे था, but उस दिन हमने कुछ भी celebrate नहीं किया. But today we are going and celebrating his birthday. ज़्यादा कुछ खास करने नहीं वाले हैं. As usual, we are going to go to some mall, have some food, do some shopping, and then come back. But yeah, that is how the day is going to be, and stay tuned with me. सुबह का खाना हम बना चुके हैं. I'm yet to take bath and get ready. So stay tuned and be with me for the whole day.
चलो.
कहाँ चलो? कहाँ चलो? घूमे. चलो फिर. मैं तो ready हूँ. See, I'm all ready.
उतारो अपने टोपा.
टोपा नहीं है, इसको हेडफोन्स बोलते हैं.
दुकान बंद करो. दुकान
कल की वीडियो की रेडी हो रही है, उसको अपलोड कर दूं, फिर हम चलते हैं. बस तुम ऐसे पजामा में जाओगे?
यस.
ओके. मैं इतना हैपनिंग बन के जाऊंगा और तुम पजामा में जाओगे?
आई एम हैपनिंग इन पजामास ओनली.
गुड वन. चलो. वेयर योर शूज? आई एम ऑल रेडी. संदीप, अब फाइनली तुम हमें बता दो कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. 3 बारी तो हमने अपना डिसीजन चेंज कर लिया.
You know it. Don't act smart in front of the camera.
I am not in front of the camera. I am behind the camera.
Yeah, don't act smart behind the camera.
Okay. So, but where are we going now?
Know it.
No, you say where are we going now?
International city.
International city. Rhea, do you know where are we going?
Yes.
Where?
Dragon Mart.
Okay, fine. And do you know what are we going to do in the Dragon Mart?
Yes.
What?
We're gonna watch Mario.
We're gonna walk.
We're gonna watch Mario.
We're gonna watch Mario?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if we are going to watch Mario or not. Finally entering the Dragon Mart. I know I've shown it 1,000 times, but probably this is going to be the last time. This is like a madhouse where you have everything starting from pin to plane. I guess you can actually create a plane here. So you have clothes, you have mobile accessories, you have lights, you have food items, you have decoration items, everything. So you have bath fittings. Red is exploring with his bag on.
Right. You try.
हम निकले हैं ड्रैगन मार्ट 1 से, अब जा रहे हैं ड्रैगन मार्ट 2. एक मॉल से कूदी मार के दूसरे मॉल. So this is an interconnected mall with just a small road, and now we are entering to Dragon Mart 2. This is little less crowded as compared to the previous one, and this is Chandeep's favorite. Why it is Chandeep's favorite is what I will tell you in a while. See, it is less crowded, more clean.
Where's your wife? Sir, where's your girl? Huh?
He's not interested in girl right now.
Hello?
He's just interested in the bike.
Hello, Rehat?
How do I start?
Make the girl sit behind and the bike is gonna start, okay?
Kuch bhi, Chandeep. See, look at his smile. I know he will not buy anything. He will show me everything but will not buy even a single piece. इसने ऑलरेडी एक पजामा निकलवा लिया है. वो भैया अब उस पजामे को वापस लगा रहे हैं. एंड नाउ ही इज सर्चिंग फॉर शॉर्ट्स. क्या क्या खरीदा?
2 pajamas, 2 t-shirts, 2 underwears, 2 hoodies and 4 jackets.
कहाँ पर है ये सब?
home delivery.
Home. I told you will not buy anything.
Because I didn't find the size on.
अब तू क्या करेगा? तेरी दुकान तो बंद हो गई. इतनी दूर हम एक चीज लेने के लिए आए थे जो कि तेरे पजामे थे. पजामे लेने आए थे हम, ये जो तुमने पहने हुए हैं. ग्लूट्स वाले. अब तुम क्या करोगे? बताओ ना. अब तुम ऐसे मुंह मत छुपाओ अपना. From where? Okay, we'll find it then. So, अब हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? I think
Mario.
Mario? क्या Mario?
We're watching Mario.
We are watching Mario? No,
Yes.
no.
Yes.
चलो चले. कौन सी मूवी देखना है?
Mario.
मरियो क्या होता है?
Papa.
What is Mario?
Papa.
Oh, who's that?
Maybe I found.
Arnold? He's not Arnold. You know who is he? You don't know? That's Bruce Lee. That's Bruce Lee.
It's me, Mario. And Luigi. Are you tired of paying too much for plumbing? Mamma mia! That's why the Super Mario Brothers are here.
Finally I bought it, right?
You finally bought it, yeah.
Don't throw my old clothes away.
Like I usually do. Finally, it's your birthday gift, na? Finally.
Mama, when we are gonna go home?
Very soon. You're happy with your gift? You're wearing your gift. Finally exiting the madness. कपड़े ही कपड़े, खाना ही खाना, गिफ्ट्स ही गिफ्ट्स. Oh, we got this. Stop. Do you have something in black? Why don't you get inside my mouth only? How was the movie?
Good.
Sandeep, what's your...
It's a good movie.
It's a good movie, yeah.
Very good animations.
Yeah.
A good story as well. Good narration. Not a narration, but voice artists maybe. Good movie. I like it.
Finally going home. A day well spent. A day really well spent. Your spent was sarcastic.
Yeah, I took the literal meaning of spent.
Yeah, right. How many holes are there in your pocket now?
None in mine.
Yeah, all in mine. Literally all the holes are in my pocket because I've spent a lot of money today on this boy, and on this girl, and on the house. So bye bye, ending the vlog.